Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Power off the iPhone before you remove or insert the SIM card. This prevents data corruption and avoids electrical issues. Gather the official SIM eject tool or a 1.5-inch straightened paperclip to open the tray. Place the iPhone on a flat surface to avoid drops. Keep a clean microfiber cloth nearby in case of dust. Make sure you have a compatible nano SIM card ready. Confirm the SIM is free of dirt or damage before inserting it. Locate the SIM tray on the iPhone side and identify the small round hole. Insert the eject tool into the hole and press firmly but gently until the tray pops out. Pull the tray straight out to avoid bending. Inspect the tray and the SIM slot for dust, lint, or debris. Check the SIM card contacts for scratches or bent metal. Note the correct orientation of the nano SIM in the tray before placing it back. Place the nano SIM into the tray with the cut corner aligned correctly to the notch. Make sure the gold contacts face down and the SIM sits flush in the slot. Slide the tray back into the iPhone gently until it is fully seated and flush with the frame. Power the iPhone back on to allow it to recognize the SIM and register on the network. If the iPhone fails to read the SIM, reseat it, restart again, or toggle airplane mode to force a network refresh.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.